Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Tesla. This is ticker TSLA. Now, Tesla has rallied back off the lows just in and around its 200-day moving average. Now, this stock has had a few visits down to the 220 lows a handful of times here. Boom, boom, boom. So we got three tests of the lows before a reversal back to the 200-day moving average and back above the 50-day. That's the red line here on the chart, the 8-day and the 21-day. So we're trying to change this trend, but this stock still needs some work done. And what I want to see first off is a blast through some of the recent highs here. We can see that we have some tops in and around 294. And so I have an alert at 294.90, and I'm looking for a momentum move through that level coming on volume. Now, if that happens, this could squeeze some shorts to the upside and give you a nice little short-term trade. Now, the stock typically will break out and backtest some of those levels. So if it does rally up, I think you can take that as an opportunity to sell some partials into strength and then look for an ultimate backtest of this zone for a potential rebuy if the market does hold up. So that's just one of many setups we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see my full watch list, take a trial, click that link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.